Unzip the vest and spread it out fully. Turn the vest modules over and lay out as shown. Align the large piece with the Velcro strips inside the vest and attach. Fasten the cords on either side of the module to the small Velcro straps on the inside of the vest. Attach the two side modules to the Velcro in the chest pockets and tuck them in. Fasten the right side cord to the small Velcro strip inside the vest. Thread the cord through the hole in the back side of the right pocket. Connect the threaded cord from inside the pocket into the cord on the power switch. Be sure the cords are both face-up indicated by the markings. Connect the DC plug of the power switch to the DC port of the battery. Make sure the battery display is set to DC mode versus out. If it isn't, hold the battery's power button to toggle it. Turn on the power switch by pressing and holding for a few seconds until it lights up blue. Press the power button briefly to set the desired temperature setting. Continue pressing the button to cycle through the heating and cooling settings. To power off the vest, hit the button on the battery until it shuts off. Disconnect the power switch from the battery when done using and before charging. Charge the battery between uses with the supplied charging cord.